Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we do some practice examples on profit and loss. So in our last classes, we clearly discussed some formula and we derived those formulas. The procedure, the explanation which we provided in deriving the formulas. You have to understand that procedure to solve these examples. If you understand that procedure, that's the concept. If you understand that concept, solving them is very easy. So coming to today's examples, a dishonest dealer sells the goods at 6 1/4% loss on cost price. There is some goods, there is some cost price. We don't know what's the cost price, but he sold it for 6 1/4% loss, but uses 12 1/2% less weight. So the discussion about in our last class regarding if you are using less weights, what's the profit you are going to get, these discussions, the formulas related to this were discussed in our previous class. If you have that idea, please watch those. It's very easy. Otherwise, please watch that class and come back here. So 12 1/2% less weight. What is the percentage loss or profit? And one more important point you have to get into your mind. What is his percentage loss or profit? Whenever you are identifying percentage loss or profit, you can assume 1000 grams is equal to 100 rupees. Whatever the values you want to assume it. 10,000 grams is equal to 1000 rupees, like that. 1000 grams is equal to 10 rupees. Whatever the values you assume, profit or loss percentage will not be affected. Percentage value will not be affected. It is not depend on these values. These points we discussed in our previous examples, in our percentage examples also. So whenever you are studying this, if you get these points into your mind, solving them is easy. See, a dishonest dealer sells the goods at 6 1/4% loss on cost price. So we are assuming that 1000 grams is equal to 100 rupees, 6 1/4% loss in selling. So selling price is, this is the amount. We don't know, now the cost price is 100 rupees. So 6 1/4% loss means 6.25 rupees out of 100. So selling price is equal to 93.75. So he sold the item for 93.75 rupees. This is the selling price. Once you get the selling price, see, next one is, but uses 12 1/2% less weight. He is using a less weight. There is a fraud in the weights. The weight is 12 1/2% less. So 12 1/2% of 1000. So in 1000 grams, 12 1/2% less, 25/2% of 1000, which is 875 grams. So how you got the 25/2% of 1000? These are the basic equations. 25/2 divided by 100 multiplied by 1000, you are going to get 875 grams. These basic understanding, we done many examples in our previous classes. That's why we are not explaining this basic thing, how we got this 875 grams. So 875 grams. So out of 875 grams, he sold it for 93.7 rupees. That is what our cost price is. Our selling price is. Selling price is 93.75. But actual weight is 875 grams. But he is showing it as 1000 grams. So this is how 875 grams he sold it for 93.75 rupees. So selling price of 1 kg is equal to, how you identify that? It's very simple. 875 grams he sold it for 93.75 rupees. 1000 grams, how much? This is basic +1 +2 mathematics. Assume this is x is to the other side, this is down, and this 1000 grams to the opposite side. You are going to get x is equal to 93.75 multiplied by 1000 divided by 875. X is equal to 107.14 rupees. So for 1000 grams, you are going to sell it for 107.14 rupees. But actual cost price is 100. What is the percentage of profit? 7.14% profit. So that's why we have chosen it as 100. You can choose 1 also, but you have to find the percentage formula. You have to identify whatever the value, you have to identify the percentage. If you take it as 100, identifying percentage is very easy. 107.14, which is, what's the percentage gain? 7.14. Remove 100 from it, what's the remaining? 7.14%. So this is how we need to do the examples. And coming to the next example, by mixing 2 brands of tea and selling the mixer at a rate of rupees 177 per kg. So 2 brands of tea has been mixed, and the mixer is going to be sold at 177 per kg. Means directly they have given selling price has been provided 177 per kg. A shopkeeper makes a profit of 18%. If he sold this for 177 rupees, he got a profit of 18%. Means gain is also provided. Gain percentage is also provided. So selling price is provided, gain is provided. If every 2 kg of one brand costing rupees 200 per kg, 3 kg of other brand is added. In our previous classes we have done some examples, similar examples. One brand is costing so much, other brand is costing some much. If you mix these two and sell it for so and so price, what is the gain percentage? This is exactly opposite. There they have provided this first brand cost and second brand cost. They asked for the selling price and gain percentage. Here they have provided selling price and gain percentage, and one of the brand cost they are asking for the second brand cost. How much per kg other brand cost? Exactly opposite. If you understand the concepts, it's very easy. So here we have to identify the brand cost. Here what they have provided, gain has been provided, selling price has been provided, and one of the brand cost has been provided. So gain percentage, what is that? Selling price minus cost price divided by cost price multiplied by 100, we are going to get the gain percentage. Gain is provided, selling price is provided. If you identify cost price, you got the solution. So let's cost price of other brand is X. So cost price of 5 kgs has been taken. Why we are taking 5 kgs? Because it is provided that 2 kg of one brand and 3 kg of other brand. One complete mixture. What is total? 5 kg. That's why we have taken 5 kg. 5 kg is equal to 2 multiplied by 200 plus 3 multiplied by, we are taking 1 kg cost is X. That is 400 plus 3x. This is the cost price. Selling price of 5 kg is, each kg he is going to sell it for 177. So 5 multiplied by 177, 885. So gain percentage is, if you put it in this equation and solve it, you are going to get it. Gain percentage is selling price minus cost price by cost price multiplied by 100. 18 is equal to 885 minus 400 plus 3x by 400 plus 3x multiplied by 100. If you solve this equation, x is equal to 350 by 3, x is equal to 116 2 by 4. This is what the other brand's cost is. 2 by 3, 116 2 by 3. This is what's the other brand cost is. So the other brand cost is 116 2 by 3 rupees. Okay, this is how we have to solve these examples. If you have any questions regarding the concepts, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.